Hello you guys, welcome. On this channel we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. I'm Birch. On this channel we talk a lot of that stuff. Well, today I want to talk about how to do the product research, how to find the right designs and niches or topic ideas, whatever you call it, for your print on demand products. I'm gonna talk about that. We're gonna dive into the laptop and we're gonna use that tool. So let's dive in. Before that, give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing for more such videos. We have a lot of the cool products, the links are in description. We have the courses, ebooks, guides, all the plainer stuff is there to help you make more money, and that actually helped me, and I'm sharing my own experience in these products. If you're interested, the links are in description. Anyways, let's dive into my laptop and let's do it. Interested? If you're interested in checking this platform and tool out, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. It's an affiliate link. I'm gonna receive a small percentage commission if you prefer to go with any of their paid plan. If you want to check it out for free, you can check it out for free as well. Anyways, so this is a tool that I'm gonna use for doing the research. When you're gonna sign into this tool, you're gonna see something like this, like they are asking you what exactly you want to see. I want to see the best sellers, I want to see the Amazon users, and you can pick up whatever you like it. Otherwise, just simply cross it. I'm gonna cross it and we're gonna do some research. So we're gonna go into the section of the product research, and then we have the product research, Etsy, Pinterest search. Okay, so first we're gonna use a product search, and then we're also gonna use a trend tracker for the people who ask me questions about finding the trends. Okay, type for any specific keyword, travel. Okay, let's type the travel. You can search the market. I'm gonna search for the US market. Now merge by Amazon search. Which product you want to search for? You can search for any specific product that you're interested in. Well, preferably I'm gonna go with the merge by Amazon, and I'm gonna click over to the option search. You can search for any individual product, but I think that if you see the designs in one, then you can use it in the other as well. You can scroll down. Okay, you got the total results as 500 results, keywords, and all that stuff. You can take a look at this, guys, and you can scroll down, and this is the first design that we see in my travel era, funny traveler airplane summer vacation t-shirt. Interesting. You can see the ESN number. It's actually for merged by Amazon, but I feel like the Amazon is the biggest marketplace on this planet Earth. So if you're doing the search for the Amazon, what's selling on the Amazon could also be selling on the other print on demand websites as well. I'm not saying exactly it's gonna sell, but it may sell. So we are using this tool for that, but this is actually the product that's there on the Amazon, and it's in the US market. You can do in any other market that you're catering to. So this is the ASIN number, and you can see the keywords and the description that they are having. Like, you can read about it and you can see the designs, and I feel like this is like a more text-based design. Of course there is a graphic here and there, but it's more text, and this is very simple. Next step somewhere, word traveler, and then here you see the related keywords. So the people have asked me a lot of the questions about the keywords, guys. Now, for example, if you're targeting the travel niche, you'll see at the products what are the products catering to this particular niche. Okay, we have taken the t-shirts. If you're selling some other products, you can go with that, and you can also take a look at the designs to get the idea. Okay, if I'm targeting the travel niche, these are the designs that are there. So you can see this is a simple next stop somewhere, text-based design. I feel more text-based design, eat, sleep, travel, repeat. Very simple. Yeah, this is like the world map is there, challenge accepted, London, and you can see that. And the next thing we have is this on the right hand side is the keywords that you can use for your design. So, and these could also be related to your niches. For example, you can see the PWR, travel, UK travel, passport travel. And on the blue mark, this is the search volume. You can see which one you want to go with. You can sub niche down. This is a great way to find the sub niches in the broad niche. Like the travel is a broad niche, so this is exactly what I told previously in my videos, to find the sub niche and bridge the gap between the two markets. So when you are taking a broad niche and typing here, on the right hand side, it's actually giving you all the search volume that you could go with, and all the keywords that you could go with. Now these are not just the keyword, but then they can also be your niche ideas, your design ideas, and these can be niches you can target. And these are the sub niches. You can see so much is there, so much. Maybe cooking. Again, this time we're gonna see some other product. Let's see what product we're gonna take a look at. Maybe throw pillows. So 43 total results, 6 keywords in title. So you see what designs are there on the throw pillows, and on the right hand side again you see the keywords and the search volume. These keywords could be the design, entire design you can create, entire niches you can target in these keywords. Get toasted. Curry King. Queen of the kitchen. Wow. And on the right hand side we get all the keywords: boy cooking, barbecue cooking, DIY cooking, get cooking, knives, plain or cooking, baking, bass cooking, rock rocking, herb cooking. Wow, got a lot of the stuffs here. So that's about finding the niches, and with having a broad niche you type that and then you get the sub niches here. That could be also keyword and niche idea. Trend tracker, because period over here, 1 month you can take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever time you need, maybe 1 month. Average BSSR. Now this is again targeting for the emerged by Amazon, but you can see the trends, what's trending on Amazon. That could be applicable on other print on demand websites. It's like a cross platform research, you can call it. That's what I do. Maybe 0 to 200. Merged by Amazon shirts. Now you can pick up any product. We're gonna go with the shirts for now, then the marketplace US, and let's search. Now you need to see whether unprotected brands or protected brands. You can also do that, but I didn't do it. I just go with the unprotected. Let's scroll down. 438 search results, 1 month selected period. Okay, so from this you can take a look at the trend. So the trend is, you can see with the Hello Kitty, you can see this is a sales rank, the purple one or the pink one, whatever you call it, and the green one is actually the price point. You can also see the price of these products. So you can see this was average, and then all of a sudden it's down and then down. But then you see this is the sales rank. This is like a pom purin. Do you want to talk about it? And then you also see the title of the product, and rest stuff is there. You can see in the source, you can see the features and description as well. Let's see what niches. Kitty, I feel like the kitty. This is again the kitty one. This is also the kitty. Wow, kitties are trending right now. Amazing. Okay. Oh wow. Again kitties. Oh guys, if you want to target the kitty, then here you go. Let's see some other niche other than the kitty. Okay, the bass dad. Wow, that's also related with the kitty. You can see if you're targeting the kitty niches and you want sub niches in the kitty, then here you go. The best dad, the kitty with the kitty dad. This is again kitty, the kitty girls night in. They're like actually sub niching down how they are doing it. So let me just scroll down a little bit more and see what we are looking for. Okay, that's okay. We can look at the maybe 7th bacon, but feel on. Okay, this one is the trending election, US presidential election design. Hillybilly, you can see this. This is trending. I know everything is trending, but that was like Harris Bells. This is another election one. In my defense, I was left unsupervised. Election niche is very popular. Still, we see that one 1 month. Harvard University. Maybe it's a university niche. Okay, we got the Kamla. Wow. I'm trending it. Most I see it's the election niche. Let's go a little bit. The Beatles. Okay, this is a football. Yeah. I don't target the football niche, guys. If you target, then here you go with the football niche. Okay, again the election design, West Virginia. Hopefully you find this video useful. Let me know what you think. Comment down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you the next time. Bye guys.